What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be checking out the Symmetry Flex for the Galaxy Fold 4. Let's check it out. The Symmetry Flex for the Galaxy Fold 4. This is a pretty interesting case, and to be fair, Otterbox has their work cut out for them. This is a hard phone to protect. The Galaxy series phones are foldable phones, and they have a front screen and a back and an inside screen, and the case has to kind of protect them all. Normal stuff going on with the boxing material here, 40% recycled material, wireless charging compatible, easy installation, all that stuff. But we're going to break right into this thing. Fair warning, I did record this a little while ago, and spoiler alert, I was not in love with this case, so I did not post the video right away, but here I am nonetheless following up later on with it. So right away, taking it out of the case, I was not impressed. It kind of fell apart on me. It looks like there's two spots for an anchor on the front portion of the case, but it did not have anywhere to like sit in there. So there's these two grooves on this belt portion, and you'd think there'd be a section on the inside for it to attach to, but I could not for the life of me get it to like stay affixed. It would almost be better if there was some kind of band on the inside that looped through it to kind of retain it, but nevertheless, I digress here. Let's get started. So like in a good phone owner, the first thing we do is take off our old case. Kind of hurt my heart here because it's affixed on there pretty well, and to give the case a fighting chance at sticking to this thing, you really got to clean it. I did spray it with some isopropyl in between, but you guys don't need to see me do that. It snaps on pretty well and feels like it's going to stay pretty good. So far, so good here. And I hate to say it, but it goes downhill pretty quickly from here. The amount of area that the tape has to affix to the front of the phone is not sufficient. I don't know what the solution is, but it's definitely not this little tiny bit of tape. I had to get some tweezers out to remove the pieces of tape so that I wouldn't damage them. Now comes the tricky part, the installation. So you have this flap to contend with, right? So you have to get it in there in between the two pieces of plastic of the front, and that was kind of a chore. Even after affixing the front portion of it, I still had to tuck it in there. And while it does cover the spine, it is not a great feeling. It does not feel like it's going to stay together very well. And the entire time I've had it on the phone, it sort of made me feel like something was wrong. The spine is not comfortable to touch. That being said, the spine coverage there, or the hinge coverage, is pretty decent, but I don't know how much protection it would actually give you. One of the things I did notice is that the smaller portion of the front case on the left-hand side had a really hard time adhering to and staying where it was without getting in the way. And yeah, I normally am a big fan of the Otterbox cases. They're very generalized cases that, appeal to the masses. They're pretty low key. But even when opening this thing, it pushes the inside bezel towards the middle of the front screen, and you're constantly having to adjust it. The gaps on the right side, or technically the left side of the phone, they made this case because they had to have a showing, not because they actually wanted to make a great case. I hate to be so negative about it, but this case to me screams, hey, we made something, let's move on. It doesn't actually scream to me that they put a lot of time into this thing, and I cannot recommend this case at all. There are a lot better options out there that do a much better job of protecting the case, especially at the price point. Otterboxes are pretty expensive. If you look around for a fold case in the price range of this case, you can find lots of better options, especially on like Amazon or something like that. So whether it be a Fold 4, 5, 6, or 7, I honestly would stay away from this case. Sorry for the bad news, but thank you for stopping by and checking out this product with me today. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up. If not, the thumbs down works as well. And as always, I appreciate the subscription. Peace.